I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an ombre lip using Blackberry and Be Ruby from LipSense. I'm starting with clean, dry lips. I'm starting with Blackberry LipSense. So first, build in an outline all the way around using Blackberry. And also stretch out your lips a little bit when you're applying the LipSense to make your application smoother. That's what you wanted. You won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm going in with another layer of Blackberry in the same place. Now I have a black outline all the way around my lips. And next I'm using the color Be Ruby. I'm going to be applying this color in the center of my lips. And as always, when you're applying LipSense, you want to let it dry completely in between layers. I'm going in with the second layer of Be Ruby. And with that second layer, I blended the Be Ruby color up into the Blackberry. And now I'm going in with the third layer of Be Ruby. And with that third layer, I focused it in the middle and then I blended it all out to the edges over a Blackberry to give us that nice ombre lip. I am going to go in with an additional layer for some areas that I want a little bit more coverage. I mainly focused that additional layer on the waterline and in a little area that needed some more color on top. And I'm sealing the lipstick with a layer of glossy gloss. Here is our final lip look using a Blackberry and Be Ruby to create an ombre lip. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create this dramatic ombre lip using Blackberry and Be Ruby from LipSense. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and makeup tutorials. I hope you are having a fabulous week. Of course, the cool thing about LipSense is that it's long-lasting lipstick, and you can create an ombre lip like this that will stay an ombre lip as long as you wear it. I think the color Be Ruby is absolutely gorgeous, especially layered over Blackberry and this ombre lip. It creates a metallic cranberry lip with that super dark outline.